This is Felix from Felix Piano Academy, where I'll be teaching you minor chords. Minor chords. So, in last lesson, we learned about measures of C. Now I want us to learn about the minor chords in that scale. Now we have D minor, we have E minor, we have A minor. E minor, that is D minor, E minor, and A minor. Those are the minors that we have in that key of C. So to form a minor chord, you place your thumb. Last lesson I said if you want to form a major chord, you leave 3 notes. But here we are going to leave 2 notes, 1 and 2. You place your another finger there. To the next, you are going to leave 1, 2, 3. 3 notes. 1, 2, 3. You place your finger there. The other minor, it is E minor. This is E. Drop 1. You get the minor. You have 2 notes and 3. 1, 2, 3. The other one is our number 6, which is A. Drop 1. You have 2 and 3. So in the scale of C, we have what? We have 3 majors and 3 minors. So we have this minor, the other minor, and this minor. So these minors, you use them together with majors to blend in and form you can play a music which sounds so good.